We focus mostly on civil liberties, protections from the government. But it is important to remember that the Constitution also protects our civil rights. These are protections guaranteed by the government. So the government using their power to protect certain things and generally to protect some level of equality, right? That, for example, people of different races should be treated equally. And the civil rights movement was initially pushing for rights for African Americans, but the movement's legacy really is that it secured rights for virtually every minority group, or at least established a clear precedent for doing so. And so, for example, in 1967, the Supreme Court ruled in Loving versus Virginia that anti-miscegenation laws that prevented interracial marriage, were unconstitutional. Now, the Supreme Court used very similar reasoning in 2015 in the case of Obergefell v. Hodges to strike down laws that prevented same-sex marriage. So we can see that there's very clear parallels between victories in the civil rights movement and victories in other movements for other minority rights. And while these rights may not be fully protected today, the legacy of the movement is that the government more expansively protects these rights than they used to.